Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making onion rings. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have all-purpose flour, vegetable oil, breadcrumbs, 1 onion, 1 egg, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, milk and salt. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. The first thing I will do is to rinse my onion. After that, I will cut the ends of it. Then remove the skin with my hand. Then rinse it again. Now I'm going to cut my onion into half-inch pieces. A even thickness is best when making onion ring. And you don't want something that is too thick because it's going to take longer time to cook and longer time to fry. And the outside coating is going to burn before the onion has a chance to cook fully on the inside, which you don't want. Now I'm going to separate them into rings. In the flour, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, then mix it. I will break 1 egg inside a mixing bowl, then add my milk, then whisk it. Now we pour the flour mixture into the egg mixture. Then mix it. Now I'm going to drop few onion rings into my batter. Then gently coat the onion rings in the batter using my fork. Then coat it generously with the breadcrumbs. And put it in the plate. This is how it looks. I will gently lower the onion ring into my preheated oil. By the way guys, I'm frying this on a medium heat. I'll fry it on each side for 1 minute until it's golden brown. Then flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. So now this is perfectly done. It's golden brown. I will now remove it from heat and leave it to drain on a paper towel. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my onion rings. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.